Hey everyone, I'm Rajiv from DevCode, and in this video, I'm going to tell you all about the promises and will continue the related topics to the promises in the next videos. So, a promise object represents the final completion or failure of an asynchronous operation and its resulting value. The promises are not usually used while writing normal front-end codes, but this is mainly a back-end side codes because promises are used and handled for or with APIs. A promise stays in three types of states, which are pending, fulfilled, and rejected. The pending state is the initial state, which is neither fulfilled nor rejected. The fulfilled state means that the operation was completed successfully, and the rejected state means that the operation is failed. A promise is said to be settled if it's either fulfilled or rejected, but not pending. A promise is handled using async and await keywords plus then and cache methods. I will tell you all about these keywords and methods in the upcoming videos so that this video and rest videos stay short and not boring. So this is it for this video. Bye.